In this video, I will show how to find the z alpha for any given alpha. When working with the standard normal random variable, also known as z variable, the most important fact to remember is that all the answers to the questions of the form probability of z being less than some value are recorded in what's called the z table and can be found by looking at the intersection of the associated row and column. To find z alpha, therefore, we will look inside of the table for the value 1 minus alpha, or the nearest value to 1 minus alpha, and then simply we would add the corresponding values from the margin of the table together to obtain z alpha. However, if we look at the question doesn't directly ask us for z alpha. So let's try to understand what the question is asking. Find the value that divides the area under the standard normal curve into 0.23 to the left and therefore 0.77 to the right. So what the question is asking is, given the standard normal curve, it says find the value which divides the region under into two regions. So the area to the right is 0.77 and the area to the left is 0.23. So it's asking us to find such value. But z alpha notation is designed for specifically for this. Since the area to the right of this value is 0.77, z 0.77 is the value that we're looking for. So to answer this question is the same as to find z 0.77. And to find z 0.77, we'll be looking for 1 minus 0.77, which is 0.23 inside the table. And the nearest number to 0.23 inside the table is 0.2296. And the corresponding row and column values are negative 0.7 and 0.04. So the answer to the question is negative 0.74.